Okay, folks, we're going to look at a probability situation today where only one thing is occurring. Okay, it's not two separate things like you're drawing a pair of red socks from the drawer and then you're drawing a white T-shirt from the second drawer. It's not like two things are occurring. There's only going to be one thing occurring. However, they'll accept more than one possibility. Like you wake up in the morning, all the lights in your room are off, and you reach into a drawer and you pull out a pair of red socks or a white T-shirt. So it's like you're just pulling one thing out from your dresser instead of two things. So we'll talk about these words, this vocabulary called mutually exclusive in video one. And I want you to, set up your notes like this. We're going to look at three different examples. Two of the examples down here, 2 and 3, are going to be examples of mutually exclusive and not mutually exclusive. At the beginning here, we're going to talk about what it means to be mutually exclusive. And then we'll try to, do a couple homework problems after video one. Okay, so you're going to do the first two homework problems. All right, hey, thanks for setting up your notes. Let's zoom in here and talk about these situations and what the heck mutually exclusive means. If two events cannot happen at the same time, then they're mutually exclusive. So let's go back to our example of drawing something out of your drawer. If you can't see in the morning and you just reach for something in your dresser and you will take a pair of red socks or a white T-shirt, that's a mutually exclusive event. You can't pull out both at the same time. It can't be a red sock T-shirt. There is no such thing. So those are mutually exclusive events. You're either going to pull out a pair of socks or you're going to pull out a T-shirt. They're not ever the same thing. So let's look at some more examples. If a card is drawn from a standard 52 card deck, what's the probability of drawing a 3 or a 2? There is no such card that is a 3/2. So this is a mutually exclusive event. So I'm going to drag that one over right there. Shoot, man, I can't get that one separated. I'm just going to write it over here, okay? So a 3 or a 2. So I'm going to put 3 or 2 is a mutually exclusive event. What is the chance that we draw a 7 or a red card? This is not mutually exclusive because you could have a 7 of hearts. Okay, a hearts is a red card. I should have drawn that in red. You could have a 7 of diamonds, and that's another red card. So there are two cards that are both red and a 7, so that's not mutually exclusive. They're not separated from each other. What's the chance of drawing a queen or a spade? Okay, I want you to take a moment. Is that mutually exclusive or is it not mutually exclusive? Is it mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive? I'm going to say it's not mutually exclusive because there is such a thing as a queen of spade. Okay, so I never can remember how to draw the spade. Maybe something like that. So because both things can happen at the same time, then it's not mutually exclusive. If both things cannot happen at the same time, you can't have a 3 and a 2 at the same time, then it's mutually exclusive. Okay, so what I want you to do is I want you to try the first couple of homework problems 1 and 2, then come back for video 2 and we'll try example 2. Hey, thanks for watching my video.